Hi everyone, it's Ariel from Sphinx Financial Planning. Today I am going to show you how to create custom fields in Wealthbox. If you like using CRM software, one of the ways you can track this data is in Wealthbox, and having custom fields is a great way to streamline your contact data. So let's start by clicking the three dots next to your name on the top right, and then we'll hit Settings. On the left, under Workspace, hit Customizations, and then on the right, under Customize Data, hit Custom Fields. Click the green Create Custom Field button. We'll choose the contact type, so whether we want a contact, opportunity, project, etc. The field type, whether you want it to be a text field, checkbox, multi-check, date, or drop-down, and then label the field. Go ahead and hit Save. And there you have your custom fields. After you save your fields, go to the contact page and hit Add Contact on the top right. If you scroll down and hit Show Additional Fields, you should be able to see your custom field right here.